Angels are saying, this is your leap year. You are about to leap to new levels of success and prosperity. Like never before, you'll experience a supernatural blessing that comes out of nowhere this week. Be ready for it. Things are about to suddenly start working in your favor. Type amen to claim it. I can't afford any more situations in my life that bring out the worst in me. It's exhausting and requires too much for me to recover from. I need calmness and gentleness in my life. Anything outside of that, I don't have the capacity for it. Learning to not be for nor against someone is mastery level. You don't feel obligated to wish them well, nor do you feel any sort of desire to wish them any harm. You simply give them none of your energy. I am deeply grateful for all the experiences this month has brought into my life. Each challenge faced and victory celebrated has contributed to my growth and resilience. I appreciate the lessons learned, the love shared, and the moments of joy. As this month closes, I look back with gratitude and forward with optimism. I am ready for what comes next. Shout out to everyone with a plan to get out of places they've outgrown. You're getting frustrated because you forgot your ancestors can help you with that. Go ahead and pray. I'm not impressed with what you do for a living or your career establishments. I'm impressed by how you think, how clean your heart is, how you treat other people, and how you treat yourself. And when no one comes to rescue you, you'll find that you've always been strong enough to rescue yourself. I hope you experience something today that reminds you that you're on the right track. I hope you know that your hard work is worth acknowledging, even when you haven't achieved everything that you set out to accomplish. I hope you give yourself the credit that you deserve. You're manifesting your happiest life right now, where you are surrounded by good energy, positive people, and beautiful blessings. The universe is saying to you today, it's time to get excited again. I am going to surprise you. Unexpected blessings are coming your way. Let go of the stress and trust me. I am going to rock your world. Get ready. If you want to be happy, don't take stuff personal. Let stuff go. Let people be focused on you, your mental health, your spiritual health, your well-being, physically and financially. God removes people from your life because he heard conversations that you didn't hear. I'm mentally at a place where I can't afford to freely give any more meaning. If I love, I need for you to love me back. If I care about you, I need for you to care about me too. If I sacrifice for you, I need sacrifices in return. If I protect you, I need to be protected as well. My mental capacity won't allow me to keep pouring from an empty cup. I can't afford to accept one-side love and energy anymore. We all deserve to be poured into as we pour into others. You will never change your life until you change something you do daily. The secret of your success is found in your daily routine. It's easy to look back and question decisions you have made in the past, but it's unfair to punish yourself for them. You can't blame yourself for not knowing back then what you know now. And the truth is, you made each decision for a reason, based on how you were feeling at the time. As we grow up, we learn and we evolve. Maybe the person you are now would have done things differently back then, or maybe you are the person you are now because of the decisions you made back then. Trust your journey. It's all going to make sense soon. If I've learned anything from life, it's that sometimes the darkest times can bring us to the brightest places. I've learned that the most toxic people can teach us the most important lessons that our most painful struggles can grant us, the most necessary growth, and that the most heartbreaking losses of friendship and love can make room for the most wonderful people. I've learned that what seems like a curse in the moment can actually be a blessing, and that what seems like the end of the road is actually just the discovery that we are meant to travel down a different path. The secret to life is that you have all the power. If you can change your mind, you can change your life. You don't need any amount of money or education or connections. You just need to be in control of your mind program, your mind to believe in yourself. Know that you have what it takes to achieve greatness, and watch greatness manifest in your life when it comes to the law of attraction. All you're really doing is programming your mind. This is the secret that so many people overlook in life. The key to success is overcoming your limiting beliefs and aligning yourself with the energy you want in your life. Start flowing and stop forcing. Everything is happening in divine order. You just have to go with the flow and trust the universe. But our ego is so patient. It wants to control everything and force things to happen. As a result, we are constantly living in a state of stress and anxiety, and our higher self is patient. It knows that we are right where we are supposed to be. So let go of control and surrender to the flow of the universe. It isn't a you competition to. There is no need to compare or compete with anyone for anything. The moment you do, you'll always lose in some aspect. They'll always look better, prettier, or more talented. From your limited perspective, the belief that you have to compete with someone else for your desires is blocking your blessings and keeping you small. There is no need to fight over a small part when there is truly an unlimited abundance available to you. They can't take your blessings and you can't take theirs. We all have our own unlimited stream available to us. Open up and let it in. This is the part of my story where I win and then win again and again and again. Type 222 to claim it. No one sees your flaws as clearly as you do. They're never as big and as prominent as you believe that they are. It is your viewpoint. Or more accurately, the wavelength that you're seeing yourself and your flaws from that is distorting your perception of them. Your perception of your flaws is just a reflection of your vibration regarding it and not a reflection of the truth. From that lower perspective, you will tend to make your flaws bigger than they really are until you vibrate higher. You won't be able to have enough distance or space from them to see yourself or your flaws clearly. Only then will you be able to have a true perspective of things. You are blessed beyond all description. Although I know it mightn't feel like that at times, someone somewhere right now is praying for what you already have. Look around you. You already have so much. You have so much to be. You are thankful for and appreciative of. When you're stuck in a mentality of lack, the universe will continue to take from you. Please donate us $100 to support us. What you already have, never take anything for granted. Take the time to consciously count your blessings. This message is being placed in front of you today at this precise moment to reassure you that everything is going to be okay. It might not look like it right now, but it all works out in the end. Things are getting better right now behind the scenes. Things are currently coming together to assist you in your time of need. That which you desire and have prayed for is already done. It is already set in motion. Now is the time to relax and let it in. Breathe deeply, relax and release any doubts and fears to your higher self and find peace within it. Is all going to be okay. Normalize leaving people in whatever weird reality they have chosen. The experience of being cared for is profound, and it nourishes the soul as much as the food does the body. God is not in a hurry. You are. It's why you are tired. It's why you are anxious and stressed and disappointed. Trust that what was meant to be yours will be yours. The universe is not punishing you or blessed BL in you. The universe is simply responding to the vibrational attitude that you are emitting when you have worked upon the inspiration that the universe has supplied you with duty and care, and you have expanded those ideas to the best of your ability. It is time to detach hand the work back over to the universe. Let the universe God do with it as it pleases. Recognize that what has been handed to you by the universe, you must hand back. When you know that those ideas aren't yours to begin with, you won't get attached to them or the results that they bring. You can let go fully and let God do the rest. When you know that God is working on it, you can rest, assured that what manifests is ultimately what is in your highest good. Every time that you hold on to something painful and you fail to fully process it and release it, you will tend to push it down within you very quickly. It will begin to clog up the pipes and restrict the flow of peace and joy within you, creating a blockage. It's only when you begin to get in touch within will you be able to let what needs to be released from within you to rise up and appear in your awareness. When it appears, let it go going forward. Be sure to fully process any of those painful feelings or small grievances in the present, so that they don't become potential blockages in your future. You've likely tried everything for your emotional pain, but have you tried healing from your past? Things only get better once you acknowledge and honor how you feel and what has occurred. That emotional pain can't be covered up when you try to do that. It tends to pop back up somewhere else in your life. No exterior achievement will solve it. In fact, those external achievements tend to feed the ego, which inadvertently feeds the pain. Your ego can't do your healing for you, so don't leave it in charge of you getting better until you process your past. You'll tend to carry it around with you, staying in that space energetically, someone else not putting